Welcome to Techie Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Windows 10 from spying on you. So to do this, what you have to do is just go to your settings. Then from your settings, what you have to do is just maximize this. And then just go ahead and go to privacy. And from privacy, make sure you're in general. And make sure every single one of this is checked off. This is gonna make sure your content or anything doesn't get shared with Microsoft. They use it as advertising ID to show you specialized ad, but they steal your data in the process. You don't want that. And after that, just go to speech. Make sure this is turned off. This will make sure they don't hear your speech. And after that, just go to inking and typing personalization and make sure this is off as well. Then just go to diagnostic and feedback. And from here, make sure optional diagnostic is selected and everything from here is turned off. And just make sure to delete your diagnostic data. And from here, just go to activity history and uncheck this as well and just clear any activity history that you might have. Click on OK. Then just go to the app permissions, just go to location. Make sure your app permissions are off for every single app because you don't need them actually. Make sure your camera permissions are also off to the apps that you don't need. Same for the microphone. And then just go to voice activation and turn this off for the apps that you don't need. And just make sure everything is turned off that you don't really need. And after that, just close this and just go ahead and restart your PC and Windows 10 won't be spying on you. And basically that is how to stop Windows 10 from spying on you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.